I never thought I'd be this fascinated by a dish that looks so simple, yet so incredible. Gota Sheddho. Honestly, I had never heard of it until I tried it at a friend's place. At first, it looked so boring. Some common vegetables like potatoes, eggplant, green beans mixed with some lentils. I thought, this is going to be bland, right? Wrong. This simple recipe tasted amazing, unlike anything I had tried before. Preparing Gota Sheddho is simple. Soak 1 cup of moon bean overnight. The choice of lentils varies. Some families use green moong beans, others prefer red lentils, or mix different type of lentils and beans. Take a large pan, add the moong bean, add enough water to it and turn on the heat. Add crushed ginger and garlic paste and salt to taste. Now start adding the vegetables of your choice. The vegetables are never cut, just wash them thoroughly under wanted and add them with their skin, of course, except pumpkin. There's no single way to make it. Some prefer it thick, others soupy. Every household has its twist. Maybe a touch of ginger, a hint of turmeric. That's the beauty. Simple ingredients, infinite variations. This dish isn't just about taste. It carries deep cultural roots. Gota Sheddho is a staple during Saraswati Pujo, a festival celebrating knowledge, music, and arts. It ties people to their heritage, bringing families together and evoking memories. Traditionally, it is served cold the next day after preparation. It's not always about what you see. It's about the depth of flavors hidden within, the creaminess of the mashed vegetables, the slight bite from the lentils, and the spice from the chilies. Everything comes together in this perfect harmony. When everything is cooked, add the mustard oil. That deep golden drizzle transforms everything. The warmth of mustard oil is irreplaceable. It's bold and pungent, enough to elevate even the simplest dish. It can be consumed as is or can be paired with rice to make it a complete meal. The taste of this will make you wonder, how many more hidden gems are waiting to be discovered? Dishes that may seem ordinary, but carry a legacy and burst with unexpected flavor. So next time you see a simple dish, don't judge too quickly. Sometimes, the plainest foods hold the biggest surprises. The world of flavors is vast. There's always something new to taste, explore, and fall in love with. Happy cooking, happy eating, and until next time, keep your taste buds curious.